Oh shit, there's a Gixxer 750. I'm gonna let him go. Hell nah. On a naked bike is crazy. Huh. Yo! He's an idiot! Oh my god! Yo! Yeah! My ears are ringing. My ears are ringing. Jacob is crazy, bro. Thank God that he didn't get hurt. It smells like wet dog. Are these the boys? I caught up with them. Yo!
No way. No way.
Bro, yo ass tweaking, nigga. Off that first shit, because you didn't see the exit. And then I was like, bro, you were that close to that bitch. I said, bro, I was screaming. I was like, this nigga's crazy. Bro, that was some.
I saw that shit coming up and I was like, oh my god, oh my god.
He said, it's my time. Bro, I was so nervous when that happened.
I flipped up on that one.
Yeah.
I gotta cut it, bro.
That's why I said, that's why I stayed back. I was like, I'm gonna let them take off real quick. I'm gonna find me a route that I can safely hit that shit.
Where's your time for that?
Bro, I don't know, honestly. I hope that nigga's okay. He was going nuts though. Bah, 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 bow, 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 bow. Fuck. We finna pull around there? Bet.
Oh my god.
There you starting your ass, you fucking noob.